Here comes Sabasa, lays it up for two, by Sabasa. Kelvin to Mr. Gomez, touchdown by Gomez. Here we go, next on, and the good pass, and the second good pass, bucket is good. Dalus, good pass, Garcia. Sabasa on the play, Sabasa for two. Garcia on the guard, Garcia, and the bang, and the bucket by Garcia. Transfer energy, Sabasa all the way by Sabasa. Garcia for two, yes sir, by Garcia. At Pangilinan, Sabasa pa rin, nagkaka dito, what a roll! And the bucket is here by Sabasa. Pope. Oh, ganda by Garcia, wide open for two. By Rico. Put back, and the basket. Sabasa all the way to the left-handed bird by Sabasa. Garcia on the burst, stand for two, number 24, Garcia. CJ Ganya, Garcia on the running and back. Number three. Drop pass, go Pajarito. Sweet pass. Garcia, wow! By Garcia. Sabasa, and the ball big by Sabasa, and the drive, and the bang, and the bang. Sabasa for three, Sabasa. 37-30.
Double.
Pajarito. Drive, one in the pass, and the bang, and the bucket. Kunanan. That is a illegal pick. Gumalaw yung pick dito. That is a good call to our referee. Number 19, illegal pick. Moving screen. Yung ginawa dito ni Mr. number 19. Number 19 warning for disqualification sa position number 19. 24 out and 27. Oh, that is a offensive. That is a number 19. Serega dribbling the ball. Garcia on the drive, Garcia, and the bang, and the bucket by Garcia. Basket is good, foul number 28, illegal. The guard is thrown by Garcia, is good. Rico for two, that guy by Rico. Put back, and the basket is good. By Sabasa, number Sabasa. Word is free by Sabasa. Sabasa all the way to the left-handed bird by Sabasa. Here's Calvin. Dalus, back to Dalus. Pope. Oh, Garcia, wide open for two. Right now, Lucky Lucas, that's through middle. Gunanan, Munoz, back to Gunanan. Pangilinan for three. Nagkakabay by Pangilinan for the pass on the rebound. Here's the Calvin Dalus. Garcia, with the packet is good by Garcia. Ready to fire, just going out there. Gunanan, Pangilinan, Sabasa pa rin, nagkaka dito. What a roll! And the bucket is here by Sabasa. Here's Pajarito, sweet pass, Salenga. Garcia for two, yes sir, by Garcia. At napukul dito ng team of Lucky Lucas. Transfer energy. Sabasa all the way by Sabasa.
Bro.
Siya pala. Pass to Munoz. Liwanag. Sabasa on the play. Sabasa for two. Oh, what a hero by Sabasa. Loose Pope. 6 on the shot line. CJ Ganya losing the ball. Here comes Sabasa, lays it up for two by Sabasa. Alexander Gamboa on the steal. Here we go. Big shot and the good pass and the second good pass. Bucket is good. Foul. Calvin to Mr. Gomez. Touchdown by Gomez.
Garcia, Garcia.
Garcia on the running attack and the drop pass. Bucket is good by Pajarito. Number 4 pass to Mr. Dalus. Dalus. Drop pass. Garcia. Really, bucket is good. Kaya na ba natin nakikita yung mga left natin prove dito ni Garcia. 37 to 38.
Doble, doble.
Pajarito.
Doble.
Boy, what is the pass and the bang and the bucket.
Gawin.
Nagawa ng table.
Foul on the
Jay. O safety card ka na.
Garcia. Second is good. 1 minute of the game. Munoz. Wala na masakay. Sabasa. For 3. Sabasa. For 3. 13 seconds kinanan sa pass-up and the big fight sa pass-up and the drive and the bang and the bucket. Basket is good. Foul on number. The Verdes Raider is good. Here's Garcia on the penetrate. Garcia hands on in here. Nugget by Garcia. Kinanan. That is a illegal pick. Kumalaw yung pick dito. That is a good call to our referee. Number 19, illegal pick. Moving screen. Yung ginawa dito ni Mr. Number 19. Number 19, warning for disqualification sa position. Number 19, 24 out and back. Set up na yaw. Bonifacio. Sa number 3, short 3. Drop pass kay Pajarito. Sweet pass, Garcia, wow, by Garcia. Lucky Lucas controlling the ball. Here's the number 24, Garcia. Alayo na lang ito pero umakat pa ito. CJ Ganya, Garcia. Garcia on the running attack. Pero dito kay Garcia. Greg, Pinanan,
Jay, go na Jay.
Greg, Munoz, pass to Greg, sa pasa. Shot at 6 seconds, triggered. There you go. Drop pass. Masakay! We need big spellers by Masakay! Garcia on the first step for two by number 24, Garcia. to 92, buhay pa rin ang ngayon. Hindi mabraga Lucas, 10 pa rin ang kalamangan. Here's come number 19. Sapasa, EJ Sapasa, 10 seconds to shoot. Here's got EJ Sapasa, kontra kay CJ Ganya, isolation good kay CJ Ganya. That is a traveling down, that is a seafoot landing. Sapasa, pang-apat mo na yan, Sapasa. Pray or mine! This from the parking lot. The Dr. 3 is ready 3. Cut the lead down to 7. Oh, that is a offensive. That is a number 19. Number 19. Number 19 sa pass-up. Big personal foul. Number 19. That is a offensive foul. That is a good goal from the referee. Our best player of the ball game. Sa pass-up. Number 19, 24 points, 6 rebound, and 3 assists para dito kay Sapasa.